Carpet stains, dirt, and odors can be tough to eliminate, even with the best carpet shampoo machines. But choosing the right carpet shampoo solution can make a significant difference in achieving a cleaner, fresher result. In this video, we'll take a close look at 5 of the best carpet shampoo solutions on the market that are designed to tackle tough stains, deep clean carpets, and leave your home smelling fresh. Whether you're dealing with pet odors, heavy traffic areas, or simple spills, these products are here to help. Kicking off our list at number 1, Bissell 78H63. The Bissell 78H63 is a well-known carpet shampoo solution, often praised for its ability to remove deep stains while leaving carpets looking fresh and clean. Specially formulated for use with Bissell machines, this solution is versatile and effective on a wide range of carpet types and upholstery. With its powerful stain-fighting capabilities, it's designed to provide a thorough clean while maintaining the integrity of your carpet fibers. Key features. One of the standout features of Bissell 78H63 is its professional-grade formula. The shampoo solution is designed to remove tough stains, dirt, and grime with ease, while also fighting odors. It's a concentrated solution, meaning a little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective option for regular use. The product is safe for use on most carpets, including wool, nylon, and synthetic fibers. It also includes a fresh, clean scent that helps keep your home smelling fresh after every use. Benefits and usage. The Bissell 78H63 is ideal for families with pets or high-traffic areas, as it helps break down tough stains and neutralize odors. The formula is designed to be used with Bissell carpet cleaning machines, allowing for easy application and maximum efficiency. Simply add the solution to the machine's tank, and it will work to clean and restore your carpets, leaving them looking and smelling fresh. The solution also works well on upholstery, making it a versatile cleaning product for your home. Usability. The Bissell 78H63 is incredibly easy to use. Since it's designed for use with Bissell carpet cleaning machines, it fits perfectly with the system, ensuring hassle-free application. It's available in a convenient bottle with a cap that's easy to pour, and the solution is simple to dilute in the water tank. For larger areas, you may need to refill the tank, but its concentrated nature means you won't need to use large amounts. However, some users might find it leaves a slight residue if not rinsed thoroughly. Durability. The Bissell 78H63 is made with high-quality ingredients that are designed to maintain the cleanliness of your carpet. It doesn't cause any damage to your carpet fibers as long as it's used according to the instructions. The solution is formulated to be tough on dirt but gentle on carpets, providing long-lasting freshness with regular use. For the best results, it's essential to store the product in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight to preserve its effectiveness over time. In the second spot, we have Hoover AH30325. The Hoover AH30325 is a popular carpet cleaning solution known for its powerful cleaning properties and refreshing scent. Specifically formulated to work with Hoover carpet washers, this solution helps remove deep dirt and tough stains while protecting your carpets from future damage. It's suitable for a variety of carpet types, including high-pile and low-pile rugs, making it a versatile option for homeowners. Key features. The Hoover AH30325 comes with a unique dual-action formula that helps lift dirt while also neutralizing odors. Its active ingredients break down stains and dirt particles, ensuring that they're effectively removed during the cleaning process. The solution also works to prevent future buildup of dirt, leaving carpets feeling cleaner for longer. It includes a fresh, pleasant fragrance that lingers after the cleaning process, giving your home a clean and inviting scent. Benefits and usage. The Hoover AH30325 is perfect for homeowners looking for a solution to remove tough stains, dirt, and allergens from their carpets. It's easy to use and highly effective in breaking down deep-seated grime, making it a great choice for high-traffic areas or homes with pets. The solution can be used with Hoover carpet washers, and its formula ensures your carpets remain clean and fresh. It's also safe for most fabric types, including synthetic carpets and area rugs. Usability. The Hoover AH30325 is designed for ease of use. Just add the solution to your Hoover carpet cleaner's tank, and it's ready to go. The concentrated formula makes it an economical option, as only a small amount is needed for each use. Additionally, the fresh scent makes cleaning your carpets a pleasant experience. However, some users may find that the solution works best when used on freshly vacuumed carpets for optimal results. Durability. The Hoover AH30325 is a durable carpet shampoo solution that works effectively over time without compromising the quality of your carpets. Its powerful formula ensures deep cleaning, and it helps maintain the overall appearance of your carpets. The solution is gentle enough for regular use, though it's essential to store it in a cool, dry place to keep it at peak performance. With proper storage and usage, the Hoover AH30325 can last for multiple cleanings. Coming in at number 3 is the Rug Doctor 604800. Rug Doctor 604800 is a premium carpet cleaner solution designed for deep cleaning and professional-level results. Known for its stain-fighting abilities, this powerful formula is ideal for tackling tough dirt, stains, and pet odors. It's perfect for anyone looking to maintain a pristine carpet with a fresh scent that lasts long after cleaning. Key features: Rug Doctor 604800 features a unique detergent solution that provides a deep, thorough clean while removing stubborn stains and odors. The formula is designed to work with Rug Doctor carpet cleaning machines, delivering maximum cleaning power. It also contains ingredients that prevent the buildup of dirt, allowing for more efficient cleaning on subsequent uses. Additionally, the formula is safe for both synthetic and natural fibers, making it versatile for all types of carpets. Benefits and usage. The Rug Doctor 604800 is ideal for those who need a strong solution to clean heavily soiled carpets. It's highly effective in removing stains from high-traffic areas and pet accidents, leaving your carpets fresh and rejuvenated. The powerful formula works well in conjunction with Rug Doctor machines, ensuring an easy and efficient cleaning process. After use, your carpets will not only look cleaner but also smell fresher, as the solution includes a pleasant fragrance. Usability. The Rug Doctor 604800 is simple to use, especially when paired with Rug Doctor carpet cleaning machines. The concentrated formula allows you to use less solution for more significant results. The process is straightforward. Just add the solution to your machine's tank, and you're good to go. However, be mindful that larger cleaning projects may require multiple refills of the solution tank, especially for larger homes or heavily soiled areas. Durability. Rug Doctor 604800 is a high-quality solution that delivers long-lasting results. Its powerful cleaning agents don't just clean, they help prevent the accumulation of dirt and debris on your carpets. The formula is tough on stains but gentle on fibers, ensuring that your carpets maintain their quality over time. With proper storage and usage, the Rug Doctor 604800 can be a reliable solution for maintaining the cleanliness of your carpets for an extended period. Taking our 4th spot is Folex F-2. The Folex F-2 is a powerful, non-toxic carpet cleaner that's designed to tackle both stains and odors. This popular solution is highly praised for its ability to remove even the most stubborn spots, from food spills to pet accidents, without the need for harsh chemicals. It's an excellent choice for people who prefer environmentally friendly options. Key features. Folex F-2 is a solvent-based cleaner that works by lifting dirt and stains from carpet fibers. Its formula is water-based, meaning it's safe for most carpet types, including wool and synthetic fibers. One of the key features of Folex F-2 is its ability to act quickly. Just apply the solution directly to the stain and blot it out. It also doesn't require rinsing, making the cleaning process simple and hassle-free. Benefits and usage. The Folex F-2 is ideal for spot cleaning and removing tough stains. Its formula works effectively on everything from pet stains to grease and wine spills. It's also odor neutralizing, so not only will it lift stains, but it will leave your carpet smelling fresh as well. Whether you need to clean a small section or an entire area, this solution is easy to apply and provides fast results. Usability. The Folex F-2 is incredibly user-friendly, requiring no additional tools other than a clean cloth to blot the area. It's suitable for use on carpets, upholstery, and even rugs, making it versatile for home use. However, it's not intended for use with machines. It's designed for spot treatment. While effective, it may require a bit more elbow grease when working with larger or deeper stains. Durability. Folex F-2 is a durable solution that continues to provide effective stain removal over time. Its powerful formula is designed to tackle tough stains and odors without causing damage to carpet fibers. Since it works without the need for rinsing, it helps maintain the integrity of your carpet while providing deep cleaning. With proper storage and occasional use, Folex F-2 can last a long time and continue to deliver excellent results. And finally, at number 5, we have OxiClean 101222. OxiClean 101222 is a well-known carpet shampoo solution designed for tough stains, odors, and general carpet cleaning. The solution contains the power of oxygen-based cleaning, which breaks down and lifts stains from deep within the carpet fibers. It's a popular choice for homeowners seeking an easy-to-use solution that delivers excellent results. Key features: OxiClean 101222 is formulated with oxygenated ingredients that help break down tough stains and lift dirt from the carpet. It's designed to work in both carpet cleaning machines and as a spot cleaner for specific stains. The formula is gentle on carpets but tough on dirt, providing a deep clean without damaging the fibers. It's also suitable for a variety of carpet types and has a fresh, clean scent. Benefits and usage. The OxiClean 101222 is perfect for homes with pets, kids, or heavy foot traffic, as it helps to lift dirt and remove tough stains. The oxygenated formula penetrates deeply into carpet fibers, loosening stains and odors for a more thorough clean. This solution works in both machine cleaning and manual spot treatments, offering versatility for various needs. After cleaning, your carpets will be left looking and smelling fresh. Usability. OxiClean 101222 is easy to use, whether you are using it in a carpet cleaner or applying it directly to a stain. Its concentrated formula means you only need a small amount for effective cleaning. If you're using a carpet cleaner, simply add it to the tank and follow the instructions for use. For spot cleaning, apply directly to the stain and blot it out. The only downside is that larger areas may require multiple applications. Durability. OxiClean 101222 is a durable and reliable solution that continues to provide excellent results with regular use. The formula is safe for most carpet types, and it won't damage the fibers even with repeated use. It's an excellent option for maintaining clean carpets throughout the year, as its powerful ingredients effectively prevent dirt buildup over time. Choosing the best carpet shampoo solution for your home depends on your unique cleaning needs. Whether you're dealing with deep stains, pet odors, or general dirt, the products we discussed today offer effective and long-lasting results. Bissell 78H63, Hoover AH30325, Rug Doctor 604800, Folex F-2, and OxiClean 101222 each have their strengths, so pick the one that works best for you and your carpets. By using the right solution, you'll keep your carpets looking fresh, clean, and odor-free.